Hello and welcome to a demonstration of the new help dialog available in MOMDYN version 2.0 for iOS. Here we see online and in-app providing help that you can follow as you build your model inside the app. For example, we can look at our prismatic joint and all its parameters, and also a particle. So we'll demonstrate that right now with our oscillator tutorial, which we access through the online help. We scroll down, we can see the specifications for which we create our new model. Close our help dialog and open the Create menu, and we can put those same settings into the app. So we're going to have our oscillator work in a gravitational field, which will give it the excitation force to make it more interesting, if you will. We're going to add a few seconds to the duration, make it 5 seconds long, and to smooth out the simulation, we will decrease the tolerance or make a finer tolerance. Here in our diagram, we see our blank frame. Hit the menu in the upper left, rather hit the help option in the lower right, and we can scroll down to our joints interface section, skipping the classic interface. And the first thing we will do is create a prismatic joint. We're going to make the motion axis plus Y, or the vertical axis, give it an initial value of 1, stiffness of 50, damping of 1, and an equilibrium distance of 1. Hit our confirm button. Now we can see our spring joint added in the diagram. Now we're going to go back into the menu, hit bodies, particle. Now we're going to add a particle at the point that we just created. Give it a mass value of 1, and select a color, any color. In this case, we are going to choose indigo. Come back into our diagram, we can see we already have our nice mass spring damper, and under gravity we can see it oscillates. We can check out our report to see some of the text describing the model and the plots. So that is all for this quick video showing our new help interface, which will hopefully help you to follow along with building a model yourself. Please join us for our new beta test of MOMDYN version 2.0 for iOS. I will include that link in the description.